Hey guys, School of Design has a new student club. It's called Art and Design Club. It caters our student need to keep in touch with their personal skills and talent.
It aims to provide a platform for students where they can share, improve, and even teach others with their own set of skills.
It's a platform for us to showcase our art and design related to our skills according to our passion and taste, above and beyond life from our courses and assignments.
Our club carries out all design and art activities related to School of Design. Hey, isn't this mass boring? Check out our latest video.
Well, that's not it. We have an amazing art exhibition showcasing the skills of our members, started a wall painting campaign in different parts of the city, and even during the lockdown created an online sketching challenge called the Quarantined Designers. Check them out.